at the Second Street Life Project in Carbondale, Colorado, which is a demonstration house using straw bale construction and other natural insulation methods. We're really excited because today our sheep's wool insulation is being installed by our insulators. And it's a sheep's wool that comes in a roll. It's an R19 bat, and it's made by Black Mountain USA. And the guys installing it are enjoying the fact that it doesn't itch, and it's really easy to cut. They're finding that it staples up into the rafters really easily. And we're excited because it's another great example of the kinds of non-toxic, low-carbon insulation methods that you can use in projects like this.